Here we have a lot of 6 collector Zippos. They come in their tin. They've got hat pins with them. All these are new, unopened, and it comes with 6 of these. I don't have all 6 out, but it comes with 6 of these cases. It comes with everything you see here. This is the limited edition anniversary series collector's edition 1932 to 1992. Comes with the tin, collector series, pins, hat pins. This is collector series Zippos. Each one of these Zippos have a different thing on them for the different years. Also has some little things back here about them. Excellent shape. Never's been used. Collector series, anniversary series. Anniversary series 10, collector's edition, 1932 to 1992. Zippo lighters. Thank you.